We are now approaching Bournville. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and push.
Okay, yeah, I've lost track of which session this is at this point. Right, it's time to do Bournville. And we have just missed a turbo start, but oh well.
You just saw the pizza thing, didn't you?
Pretty much. Right then. Let's get started here at Bournville with the departure of 7:30:009 and 7:30:015, departing out with 2 Oscar 24 and the 11:34 West Midlands Railway service from Lichfield, Trent Valley to Bromsgrove. We've also just missed the pass of 170:108 with 1 Victor 07 from Nottingham to Cardiff Central. So that should be heading out now. Right, and off it goes on time. Heading on down to Bromsgrove. Right then, passing next for cross country, we should see... Oh, was I looking at the wrong thing? Oh yeah, I was. It turns out 170:108 is actually about to pass us with 1 Victor 07 from Nottingham to Cardiff Central, because we missed... oh yeah, we missed 176:19. Right, that should be passing us next. Then we will have our Voyager. There it is, there's 170:108 up there. Coming down, heading to Cardiff. You can see it before there's even been an announcement for it. Right, I think we should have another Voyager passing fast on the line in a second. Just give me a chance to look at the time, I can see what's going to show up. And then passing next for cross country, we should see 221135 and 220014 with 1 Sierra 43 from Penzance to Edinburgh Waverley. That is due to pass next. Then we've almost done after a couple more at Bournville. Behold unholy Voyager. Like I said earlier, I don't blame cross country for them. I just blame Bombardier for building them. There it is. Right, so that heads up the line next for West Midlands Railway. We should see the arrival of 7:30:046 and 011 with 2 Papa 27 from Bromsgrove to Lichfield, Trent Valley at 11:50. Right, it's the next lot of 7:30s arriving in. And after that,
The next train at platform 2
there we go.
is the 11:56 West Midlands Railway Service.
Unless,
Calling at King's Norton.
nah, train's in front of it. Right, here comes 2 Papa 27 up there.
Platform 2 for the 11:56 West Midlands.
Right, and after these head out, we'll have one final working for the session, as we should see our train to take us out of here, which will be 7:30, 023 and 013 with 2 Romeo 25 and the 11:56 West Midlands Railway Service from Four Oaks to Redditch. But obviously we've got 046 and 011 ready to go. And as they continue to head up the line, we'll zoom in with them as we should see our units coming down to take us from Bournville to Kings Norton. Now obviously if you watch my intros, you'll know that Kings Norton is where we get the tone from the 323 at the start of it. Last time I ever saw a 323 at Kings Norton. Right, it's 046 and 011 head round. Now these should come down. Here it is, coming to finish us up here at Bournville. Yeah, there it is, further up the line there. And these arrive in to finish us up here at Bournville, and these will take us on to Kings Norton. Right, and here come the final units of the session.
Stand back. The train now approaching platform 1.
Right, yeah, as these arrive in, I think we should have a 196. Yeah, is that right, in? We should see the pass of 221135 and 220014, but nah, we won't see them. Right, that's a good session at Bournville done.